Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial we will be taking a raw image like this that was rendered in 3ds Max using V-Ray 5, and we're going to do a post-production render. So what I like to do is, just to keep it simple, I'll go to filter, camera raw filter, and I will use this to adjust the detail of my render. And once I am happy with the settings that I have applied here, also what I like to do, on the background image here, I want to just turn a little bit of that blue down. If I do it like this, changes the entire color completely. So we want to start working a little bit on that. So I want to keep it there because the purpose of this render is for a night render instead of a daylight render. So I don't want to make the room too bright. So when I use the saturation, you can see that the brownish color of the back wall and the illumination of the lights start taking that shape. So I'm not gonna put too much of it like that. I'm just going to tone it down just a little bit. So in this example, I like to see this contrast of the brown colors and the blue colors. I like to work with very minimalistic colors, so I don't want to have a brown color here. Next thing we have pink, next thing we have purple, green, brown and red. So I always like to keep my schemes with very few colors. In that way you are able to get thinner renders. So once I have it like that, what I can do is that I can duplicate it. Typically I'll be happy with the way that the render has come up because it's supposed to be dark. It's a night render that I was looking for. Didn't want anything too bright, but now if you start playing with this settings here, you can see that once you put it to linear dodge, it starts to make things too bright. And there's a couple more settings where you can do a lot of things. So if we put it to screen and tone it just a little bit down, and we use a Gaussian blur, sometimes you are able to get very nice color outputs. So once you have it like that, you're starting to get something very nice. And sometimes you can either put it on screen or you can put it on overlay. So it depends on what you want. Screen works better for lighter rooms, and overlay works with darker rooms. So I can put this to 25 and our night render will be complete like this. So from here you can export your image and we can conclude the tutorial here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe and share for more content to come, and I'll see you on the next one.